Now, there are several ways that you can use your Flipbook to sell your digital products. So, if you have created a Flipbook of one of your digital products, that's awesome. The things that you can do is that you can record the video, the flipping of the book. You can do a voiceover recording of yourself talking about the ebook. You can use this platform to do the voiceover recording. You can use this platform to record the book flipping through. If you do not wanna do that, because I think that's a paid service through this platform, you can use a tool that's on your computer called the snipping tool. If you use the snipping tool product, it looks something like this. On my computer, this is what it looks like. It's called the snipping tool, and you have an option to do a screenshot or video. If you just select the video, you can then highlight the area that you wanna record and then hit record, and it will record it, and then it will save it on your laptop or on your desktop. Once you have recorded it, then you can upload it into YouTube and then save it as unlisted. And now you have a video of you flipping through your digital product. You can keep that on YouTube, put a link, a description, and have people go to your platform to buy this particular digital product. All right, you can do that. You can then take the YouTube video, if you're using a platform like PayHip, and you can embed that video into your product sales page. So if you have something like if you're using PayHip, which I recommend, and if you're using System.io, you can embed it there as well. So what you could do is go to YouTube, copy the link of your YouTube video, it will go over here into PayHip. You hit paste and you hit add. Now that video will be part of your product sales page that people can see the book in real life. Another way that you can use a recording of your Flipbook is that you can use it on your social media posts. You can easily upload your Flipbook into Canva, then select a template, a real template, like I found these, right? And then you take that uploaded video. So let me delete this one and I can show you. You can just click and it populates right into your reel. You can size it the way you want it to be sized, right? Once everything is like you want it, if you want to change the backgrounds, you can do that. You can do a voiceover right here inside of Canva. You can put music overlay. Like I wouldn't put the music from Canva. I would actually, once I upload it to like TikTok or a YouTube or Instagram, then I would add the music there. Once you have it the way you want it to look in Canva, you can then download it. You now have a short form video that you can use on TikTok and all those other platforms. You add a description, you tell them to put link in the bio, you add all of those extra things inside of the platform. So those are about 3 or 4 ways that you can use your Flipbook in marketing your digital product.